In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Apps. Then hit Dual Apps here and tap on Create at the bottom. Following that, you can tap on one of those switchers next to any app you wish to clone and hit Turn On in the pop-up to clone it. In case of recommended apps, tap on the chosen one, then click on gray switcher next to Dual Apps feature, and after it's ready, tap on those two options to adjust them. Then go back. As you can see, my apps were successfully cloned. If you want to delete those clones, go back to the same settings and tap on blue switchers. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!